I'm honored and excited to share that WinWire has once again been recognized by Microsoft as a finalist Partner of the Year for Cloud Native App Development in 2023 for the work with our longtime client, Elanco, an animal health company. I would like to thank Elanco for the trust they continue to place in us for their digital transformation needs, and Microsoft for their continued partnership. I would also like to express a very warm thank you to all WinWire employees globally who embody our values of people first, technology leadership, and execution excellence each day.
On behalf of the entire Microsoft HLS team, I want to congratulate WinWire for being named 2023 finalists for our Partner of the Year at Microsoft.
Congratulations, WinWire, for being a finalist in Microsoft's Cloud Native Application Development category for Partner of the Year. This is such a testament to the amazing work that you do, driving innovation and customer satisfaction. You are such a wonderful partner to collaborate with.
Congratulations, WinWire team, on being recognized as a Microsoft Partner of the Year finalist. This great accomplishment is a testament to your ability as a partner to work with clients and drive transformational opportunities through your various solutions.
We are incredibly thrilled to continue to work with you, WinWire team, and we can't wait to see what we accomplish in the future.
Really excited about future successes to come. Wishing you all the best.